Hello and welcome to another video. So in this video I will talk about textures. So in this example I have two different ones. This right here is a tile texture with some color variation, and this is also a tile texture with some variation in it but with an image. So I will guide you through it step by step. Don't hesitate to follow. You will be shocked how easy it is. So yeah, let's get straight in it. So to begin with, you will make a generic floor, as in 2D right here, you see this. So if you have that, we can go to the Manage tab and then to Materials right here. So first things first, we're gonna make a new material, of course, create new material, rename it. I'm gonna name it AAA or 1. Voila. And for example, we're gonna make this. So here you see the tiles, and we need to make those tiles. Let's say this is the box that we want, and for example this is 600 right here, and this is excuse me, this is 300 for example. Voila, don't mind drawing. And then we see this, those are 3 tiles right here, and for example I will say this one has 10 tiles. So that's the example that we are going to make. So to do that, instead of a color we go to a instead of image, sorry, we go to tiles right here. So we click on tiles and we get this screen popping up. So the first thing that we are going to do is of course set the scale. So remember we have the width will be 300 and 30 centimeters, and the height will be 60. The tile count per row, we will have 3 columns, and we'll have 10 rows per column. So that's the first step that we already can do, and I will just click to done, apply, and OK to see from where we start. Now we're gonna use the paint tool, PT, and then we search of course for a material. Oh, it's on the first thing, so right here, done, and then you just click on it and voila, this is what we have. So we see we have already the tiles and the colors with it and the grid. So we're gonna adjust it, and again on the Manage tab we go to Materials, and again on our material that we made, and just click right here on the tiles, and the screen will pop up again. So the next thing that we're going to do is to, of course, give it a color. So we will give it a greenish color. For example, this color we're gonna take. Voila, and you see already changing. I will say done, apply, and you see already the colors. The color is changing. Now, as you see here in the picture, those crowds are very thin, so we're gonna adjust it also. So the next thing that we're going to do is again click there on, and then we have grid appearance. It's sets on 0.5, but we will make it 0.2 and 0.2. Click done. All right, apply, and voila, this is already looking much nicer. Now, as you see, we have not much or not very much variation in our tiles. So where we're gonna do that, right here we have color variation, and you can slide the bar and you see changing it, or also you can just add a number, and we'll do it 105 like this, and you see already it appearing. And also the grid we will make white as in the picture. Voila, click done, apply, OK, and now you see how nice it is. So don't forget when it's just on hidden lines or on consistent colors, just remember to put textures on, and voila, there you have it. But if you go to realistic, like this, just wait a moment, it's still some flat, as you see here. So we're gonna make some changes about that. So again, we go to materials, and then right here we go for bump, and then just cancel. And right again in the image, remember, we're gonna use a tile view, and then remember the distance. So we go, we're gonna just do it like example, the tile counts were 10 and 3, and I will click done, apply, and now we will see, and I will make it darker, of course, so you can see better. Voila. I will zoom in if my computer can handle it. Now you see the tiles are not in the exact same place. Why is that? Because we go to the materials right back here, then we can click on tiles, and this right here is correct, but the scale isn't. So we need to change that. So we're gonna the width will be 30, voila, and unlock this, and the height will be 60, voila. Now click done, apply, and normally it will be the right ones. Oh no, not again. Then I need to do 60. 60, yes, 60, done, apply, and let's wait a moment, and voila. And also I will tile color, I will set it to white because we don't want to overwrite the color, and then of course we're gonna set it to 0.2, oh no, just 0.3, done it, apply, and voila, it will be the same. So we have our depth now, and as you can see, this is a lot better in realistic. So this is just how to add a bump with the same tile count per column per row, and of course, if you're scrolling, just be aware you can change the dimensions by scrolling, and of course the scale, that use the same scale that we used by the tiles here. So click apply, and it will be okay. So that's how you can make a nice texture with just a color variant, and it's looking pretty nice. So the next option that I can show you, or you can do, is just copying the generic floor. Voila, go to 3D again, and then again we repeat the materials tab, and we're gonna make a great new material, fresh one. We name it AAA02, voila. And then we're gonna add this, apply, okay, then go to paint, PT, and then I'm gonna paint it to this one, voila. So you can show, I can show it real life. Go to materials, then to AAA02. Now the next thing that we're gonna do is working with an image, but in another way. I will show you. So we wanna also have tiles, but with an image. Well, we're going again, not image here, but this right here, and we're gonna use checker, and we're gonna make the checker size 60 by 60. Voila, done. That's all we're gonna do now, and voila, this is what we get. So the next step that we are going to do is again click on the checker, and now we can choose from color 1 and color 2. For example, to show you it, we can give it orange and this one blue, done, click apply, and it changes. But we want to work with an image. Well, the first thing that we're going to do is, of course, we're gonna use again tiles, voila, and you know this square is 30 it's 30 by 30 because we use a 60 by 60, so important scale, we're gonna use 30 by 30, and in one tile there are 2 tiles per row and 1, and I will leave it here to see the difference. So done, apply, and you see those are the tiles. So we're gonna do it for this one also. So we're gonna go to here, then to tiles, then the second window will pop up. Remember 3 and 1 column, and again 30, voila, 30, voila, done, apply, and it's the same. So those steps are already good. But now it comes. So for example, now here the tile color, we can change that. So instead of the color, we go to the arrow right here, and we use a image, and then it pops up, and then I need to go to the right here, and then right here, voila. And now we're gonna use this tile option, and voila, this is the image. Don't worry, we need to do the scale again, 30 by 30, but the image is applied to this tile color, so don't worry that your tiles are gone. So I will click done, apply, and see already appearing this nice material. Now, for example, to give variation of it, you can choose again right here, and then image, voila, and then we're gonna use the 2. I just rotated this one in Paint, so voila, click open, click apply, but make sure it's 30 by 30, voila, click done, apply, and it has the same material, but also with a little difference in it. Now, the second thing that we are going to do is, of course, the grid. So click on this again, and then right here we're gonna make a bit lighter, maybe this one, voila, and also 3, 3, okay. Then for the other tiles, go to here, then we're gonna use 3, 3, and also voila, voila. Then we are going to get done, apply, and voila, this is already looking nice. So for example, we go, we have, it's not much variation, but in the texture we have some variation in it. But now it's a little bit, yeah, flat, but we want the same right here. So we have, so we have some different colors. Well, we can do that by this one also. So we go to materials again, then we click right here, and we choose to do this one, and here we have again color variants, and then we're going to use 0 by 0, or maybe again you can just do it like this with the bar, but I will do 0.5 and just done, apply, and voila, you see it's already changing. And then with this one you can also do it, or maybe I will do it with this one, and just 1, oh, not 1, 0.1, voila, done, apply, and you see we have a little color variation, and we can do it also by this one, voila, okay, apply, and you see the color variation is coming, but I will leave this one out, and also done, apply, and voila, we have also a color variant with just a image. So that's how you can accomplish two different textures within Revit, some with an image and without an image, and you can create a lot of materials. It's like infinite materials you can make from scratch just by one image. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video and learned a lot from it, and yeah, like, subscribe, and see you in the next one.